Imagine a college dropout who revolutionized the way we communicate, create, and connect. Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple Incorporated, was not just a tech visionary. He was a master of innovation and design, a relentless pursuer of excellence. His journey from a garage to a global empire is not only inspiring but also filled with lessons that resonate with anyone striving for success. Today, let's delve into the motivational principles that guided his life and work, illustrating how his philosophy can empower us all. The power of passion. Steve Jobs once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." This belief was evident from his early days at Apple. He was passionate about technology and design, and he didn't just want to create products. He wanted to create experiences. For example, the introduction of the iPod transformed the music industry, combining technology with an understanding of user needs. When you pursue your passion, obstacles become mere stepping stones on the path to greatness. Embracing failure. Jobs faced numerous failures throughout his career, most notably when he was ousted from Apple in 1985. Rather than seeing this as an end, he viewed it as a new beginning. He founded Next and acquired Pixar, both of which contributed significantly to his later success. This teaches us that failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Embracing setbacks as learning opportunities is crucial for anyone looking to achieve their dreams. Innovation and creativity. Jobs believed that innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. He once said, "Innovation is saying no to 1,000 things." This mindset led to groundbreaking products like the iPhone, which redefined the smartphone market. The iPhone wasn't just about technology, it was about user experience, design, and integration. This principle teaches us that to innovate, we must focus on what truly matters and not get lost in the noise. The importance of perseverance. Throughout his life, Jobs demonstrated incredible perseverance. He faced countless challenges, but his determination never wavered. When developing the original Macintosh, he pushed his team to the limits, insisting on perfection. His relentless pursuit of quality taught us that excellence is not an act but a habit. As he famously stated, "I'm convinced that about half of what separates the successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance." Visionary leadership. Jobs was not just a manager. He was a visionary leader. He inspired his team to dream big and push boundaries. His leadership style was often described as demanding, but it was rooted in his belief that everyone has the potential to contribute to greatness. By setting high expectations and leading by example, he created a culture of innovation at Apple that propelled the company to unprecedented heights. The role of design. One of Jobs' most significant contributions was his emphasis on design. He believed that design is not just what something looks like, it's how it works. The sleek, intuitive designs of Apple products set them apart from competitors. This attention to detail reminds us that the presentation of our ideas is just as important as the ideas themselves. Strive for elegance and simplicity in everything you create. Pursuing your own path. Jobs famously advised, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life." He lived by this principle, often challenging norms and defying expectations. His unique path, marked by unconventional choices, led to revolutionary advancements in technology and culture. This teaches us to carve our own paths and not be afraid to challenge the status quo. Conclusion. Steve Jobs' life was a testament to the power of passion, perseverance, and innovation. His journey from a college dropout to a tech mogul illustrates that success is not about avoiding failure but embracing it, learning from it, and using it as a launchpad for future endeavors. As we reflect on his legacy, let us remember to pursue our passions, embrace challenges, and strive for excellence in all that we do. By embodying these principles, we can transform our dreams into reality and leave a lasting impact on the world, just like Steve Jobs did. Thank you.